Okay, here we are. Really super heavy rain last night, and the backyard is still flooded. Look at this. Just, it's kind of very discouraging. I expected it to be flooded right about here, but I didn't think it would be this bad. Even the stone pathway is underwater. And this is after 14 yards of new dirt in here. Okay, let's take a walk back and look in the very back part. Yep, look at this. So we're probably going to need at least another 8 yards, if not another 12 yards. So that's 3 more loads of super intense heavy work. I think everything we planted in here is probably going to drown. Just walk around here so you can see it. Look at that. All completely underwater. Really pretty bad. So it's kind of back to the drawing board. See here the stones from the walkway are completely submerged. But the good news is right along here is pretty dry and solid. So at least the garden beds, I mean it's mushy where I'm standing now, and it's really mushy back there. You walk in it, you sink right in. But back to the drawing board, like I said, you know, it's just very discouraging. Well, at least the spinach we planted is doing really well. Planted this again in mid-March, and we're going to probably eat it this weekend.